Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the maximum Jacob's ladder. First, let's get it set up correctly. Carefully assemble the machine following the included instructions, ensuring all parts are securely fastened. Place it on a flat, stable surface to prevent any wobbling during your workout. Then, plug the power cord into a grounded outlet. Always do a quick safety check, like ensuring the emergency stop is accessible before you begin your exercise session. Now, let's talk about operating the Jacob's ladder. Step onto the rungs, holding the side rails firmly for initial balance. You can choose your preferred workout mode or intensity level using the console. As you begin climbing, the machine intelligently responds to your pace, speeding up or slowing down as needed. Aim for a steady, controlled movement to maximize your workout effectiveness and maintain good form throughout your session. To get the most out of your Jacob's ladder workout, focus on proper technique. Keep your body upright with a slight forward lean, engaging your core muscles to stabilize your torso. This machine is designed for a full-body workout, so actively use both your arms and legs as you climb. Don't be afraid to vary your climbing speed. Try bursts of high intensity, followed by periods of moderate pace to challenge your cardiovascular system and muscle endurance effectively. Finally, let's cover essential safety and maintenance. Always utilize the safety harness if provided, and know where the emergency stop button is located. It's crucial to stay hydrated and pay attention to your body's signals, taking breaks when needed. After each workout, wipe down the rungs and frame to keep the machine clean. Regularly inspect for any loose bolts or signs of wear to ensure your Jacob's ladder remains in excellent working condition for years of effective use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.